Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today we want to talk about the concepts and explanation about semantics. So, the definition of semantics. Semantics is the branch of linguistics that studies meaning in language, how words, phrases, and sentences convey meaning. It examines how language users understand and interpret meanings in communication. So, in simple terms, semantic is the study of meaning in language. So, the next one is about territorial concept from various linguists.
Okay, my name is Riansi Aswapratama. Today, in my part, I want to talking about theoretical linguistics with 7 key linguistic concept. Okay, uh, ever wonder how language really works? Okay, let's break down 7 cool ideas from famous linguistic in the simplest terms. Okay, first one is Saussure, signifier, significant. Ferdinand de Saussure said every word has two parts. The signifier is the sound of letter like the word dog. The signified is idea, the image the dog in your mind. Together they make a sign. Okay. Two. Then Richard, triangle of meaning. They showed that meaning comes from three things: the word like apple, the things like a real apple, and thought in your head. It's not just the word, it's how we understand it. Okay. And a number three is third is concept and location. Jefferson said you know a word by the company it keeps. That means words get meaning from the words around them. Like strong tea sounds right, but powerful tea, it sounds weird. Weird. For Chomsky, deep surface structure, Noam Chomsky, it said sentence have two level. The surface is what we say. The deep structure is a real meaning. Like she ate the cake and the cake was eaten by her. Same meaning but different form. For number five, the lion, sense and reference. Jones Lyons explains sense is the meaning in your mind. Reference is the real world things the word points to. So, the sun and the morning star can refer to the same thing but feels different. For number six is seven meanings. Godfrey Lynch side word can have many layers: literal meaning, emotion, social, and more. Like home means a house, but also love, safety, and family. Seven is grace, implicators. Paul Grace showed that often say one thing but mean more. If I say the getting late, I mean let's go to the home. That hidden meaning in the called impactor. Okay. Mm, and you know what? So, what did we learn? Language is not just isn't just about word. It's about meaning, context, and how we understand each other. From the social science to Gray's hidden message, these theories help us to see communication is deeper than it seems. Whether you're learning a new language or just curious about how we talk, these ideas show us a language powerful, flexible, and full of meaning. Okay, that's for me. Next to another friends.
How about Nisa? Nisa, sorry, your microphone is off.
Okay, I would like to explain about approaches in semantics. The first one is lexical semantics. So basically, lexical semantics focuses on the meaning of words and their relationship, like synonym, antonym, names, polysemy, and etc. The second one is compositional semantics. It is how meanings of expressions combine to form sentence meaning. Meaning of a sentence. Jadi kalau meaning dari sentence itu sama dengan meaning of its parts ditambah how the parts are structured. Tuh, jadi compositional itu adalah komposisi dari meaning dari part tersebut dan bagaimana strukturnya gitu. Yang ketiga, the third one is formal semantics, uses logic and mathematical representation to explain meaning. The next one is cognitive semantics. Cognitive semantics says meaning is shaped by human cognition, experience, and also conceptualization. It includes metaphor theory by Lakoff and Johnson. The fifth is structural semantics. Structural semantics meaning arises from semantic relationship within the language system. It based on Saussures structuralism. Okay, actually there is one more about pragmatics related approaches. It concerned with contextual meaning and speaker intentions, includes Grecian implicators and relevance theory and etc. The next one is types of meaning. There are more than six of types of meaning. The first one is conceptual meaning. Conceptual meaning is the basic dictionary meaning. For example, woman. The meaning of the woman itself is adult, human, female. The second one is connotative meaning. Connotative is additional emotional or cultural association. For example, the word home can mean warmth or comfort for someone maybe. And the third is social meaning. Social meaning is when meaning connected to social context, to or level of formality. For example, request versus ask versus beg. Beg memohon. Nomor 4, fourth is affective meaning. Affective meaning expresses speaker's feelings or attitude. For example, shut up when someone is angry. The fifth is reflected meaning, which means meaning that arises when a word has multiple senses, often taboo. For example, virgin. The word virgin may evoke religious and sexual meaning. The sixth is called collocative meaning. Collocative meaning means meaning created by typical word partners. For example, pretty girl,